VastEdge launches free tier to safely accelerate AI-generated applications in enterprise. AI adoption is surging. Global research firms like IDC, Gartner, and Forrester say that AI spending will reach $632 billion by 2028. 75% of enterprise developers will use AI coding assistants, up from 10% in 2023. And 89% of enterprises are advancing AI adoption. CIOs and IT leaders are demanding enterprise-ready AI that is secure, compliant, and proven at scale. VastEdge bridges a gap between AI experiments and enterprise-scale success. We have 20-plus years of proven success in ERP migrations and multi-cloud deployments across 10 of the Fortune 100 companies and many different SMBs. Here's how VastEdge AI delivers real enterprise value. Number 1. Healthcare and manufacturing. AI delivers various types of predictive analytics, fraud detection, and supply chain forecasting. Number 2. Cross-cloud integrations. With Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle, and AWS, you unlock seamless enterprise-scale operations. Number 3. Inbuilt security features. Ensure your apps are compliant with SOC 2, HIPAA, and GDPR while protecting all your sensitive enterprise data. Our free tier is built for you to test, learn, and win with artificial intelligence. The free tier access allows enterprises to explore AI safely without financial or legal barriers. Our AI is built for healthcare, manufacturing, and large industries that demand strict compliance. Thank you for joining our presentation. Please visit our website to learn more about our free tier at vastedge.com.